Okay, so it is and we've got 1, 2, 2.5 zinnia blooms. So I'm going to show them to you. It's very exciting, but we'll go give you a close-up, and then I'm trying to figure out where to go. And then I will show you what all of these look like, because wow, are they beautiful. Oh, sorry, this is not anything, so hold on just a second. There's a white one, which is great. I was kind of worried we wouldn't have any white. And this is like a purpley pinkish color, and those are huge. So we've got some other white ones right there, and not really sure what color these are going to be because we've had to plant so many times. But look how full this is, and those are all wedding flowers. So let's carefully all of that is wedding flowers. Oh, and I found another wedding flower. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera around. There we go. Look at that. Another white one, so we're doing really well. Here's the side view. Look at all of them. Here's the amaranthus. That's a hard word to say. Right here, those are looking good. So those should be like shoots coming off of them eventually. More zinnias. Even more zinnias. We're gonna have a lot. And then here's the pumpkins. Those are looking pretty good. So we'll see. But oops. We've got this right here. Can we take a guess as to what color we think that will be? I don't know. Wow. Can't believe that we're growing wedding flowers. Anyways, so sorry. I just wanted to give you guys an update. It is looking good. And well, this is just a little update, but very exciting and crazy to think that it's really happening. So we've got about 2 months from tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Well, that was a little update. This will probably, I don't know that it'll be its own video, but maybe it'll just attach to the other ones that I haven't uploaded. But anyways, thanks for tuning in.